unboxing of the fucking Z body kit.
Wide body.
Wide body for the horse.
We're just out here to fuck some shit up. This is how we're gonna put the fucking fenders on.
And this is a kid's channel.
Cecil's doing the body work.
It's fucking racist.
Can't say those words.
Shut up.
Not being gentle.
Are you excited, Josh?
For what?
Talk to the YouTubes about your excitement.
Oh, yeah, I'm so excited. I seen what they look like. Just hope they fit because they were cheap from eBay.
What color are you thinking?
How much money were they?
I'm gonna color match them with the Z.
It's some fucking some sick
Either
color.
that or burnt orange and fucking because flat. Burnt orange X wide body.
Yeah, unboxing part 2 of the video.
Told you, somebody's gonna lose a fucking finger in this one.
David's an idiot.
Is it carbon fiber? Or
It's made from carbon fiber hoods. I don't know if it's actual
It's
carbon fiber.
recyclable.
slide one out. Yo, for real?
For real?
This is some good packaging, so.
Better not be cracked or anything.
So that's why we want to check it early because
It's gonna have coronavirus on it. It's from China.
Can't really return it anyway.
Coronavirus.
Huh? You get eBay money back
We're unboxing the coronavirus, boys.
on most things.
yo, this shit's coming from fucking
China.
the Yukon.
It's coming
Japan.
from fucking Bang. Part 3 of the unboxing.
Why everybody standing around with their dick in their hands?
Wait for you to get on your knees, guy. Being slick for YouTube. Look at us. Look at us. We're living.
Get it. Phone's on one. Ready?
False backflip.
Yeah! Get her up out of there. Don't hit the... Yo!
Oh shit, damn.
Sling and roost. Yeah! 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 She's stuck. She's...
Get her!
Get it.
This dumbass. He's still playing.
Yo, Matt be getting them backflips now every time. Of course, as soon as I said something, he does it though.
I do a burn with that thing.
Yeah, son. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead, get up in there. No, that is hilarious. Look at him, yo.
Oh man.
Gotta get out the way to this motherfucker. Yeah.
Good shit, man. Here comes the car. see you, rooster tail. Now.
You said these drones hit 80 mile an hour and plus, right? That's crazy.
50. That's 60.
You said these drones hit 80 mile an hour and plus, right? That's crazy.
50. That's 60.
Get that. Do it. Yeah. That bitch is nasty. She's too nasty, yo. She flips. Alright, hit that drone.
Matt, get away from the door before you jump. Oh shit, there's Cooter Brown.
Yeah.
Paul fucked up?
Yeah.
From what?
Journey. Come here.
I'm just gonna video it. I'm just gonna video it.
If you get it, I don't know. It's good for them. Yeah, it just gets bad when you start putting more work into it. Like start maxing it out. But it keeps it cool, it keeps the airflow. I think it'd be sick.
I told him to take it for $100 more than what I paid.
Savage.
Just so that I can move it and get shit done.
So basically, you just made $100 for moving a car down the street.